Let's fuck the next entertainment.
Every day, yeah. What do you say?
It's quite unfortunate. So, in my youngest age, they call me Chupa. You hear that? Toffee came that it called Chupa.
Yeah, Chupa.
Yes. So anytime I started climbing, my mom buy me Chupa.
It is from
my youngest,
your children?
Yes. My childhood.
Your childhood?
Yes. To this time.
Hey.
I've eat Chupa. They used to call me Chupa.
Wow.
Yes.
Kohweigu and Chupa. Kohweigu meaning what?
Kohweigu, it means something bigger.
Bigger?
Yes, before I will explain, I want to ask you some simple question. What work were you doing of your average your traveling abroad?
My work?
Yes. Because it seems I don't understand sometimes your English.
My English?
Yes.
Oh, my job is space.
Space to space, then someone can make up.
Oliver, I'm traveling to space. Yeah, I'm searching to go to far
in the West.
Yes.
Oh, Jupiter, Pluto.
All the planets. I'm came here on the planet. I'm seeing on the planet.
That's nice.
Wow, hello, beautiful.
You ordered for foods.
I'm sure network. Yeah.
So that's why sometimes the network go off.
Sometimes the network go off now. Me, I'm cutting the network. Fella, I see the country is not surviving.
Country called Ghana.
I'll cut you. Ghana, them Ghana, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Tanzania.
What about South Africa?
What is South Africa?
Yes.
South Africa. My former girlfriend in South Africa. It's a woman or Hong Kong off that.
So every country, South Africa, you know of them?
No. South Africa, you don't know. That is why my pronoun is the poor.
Oh, okay.
That is why my language is the poor. Yeah.
That's why your English is somehow.
Yeah. Are you ready? Tight your bed before you move around and what? I was something like I'm something like I'm calling you. I'm something like I'm calling you. Yeah, you need it. Mama, who's one million? My John Quainer, which is only a cassette. Yeah, network cassette. Space, we know how we know my show. I want to do yes, sir. Yeah, it's not when I got a publish it, bro.
Just look at how these ladies are doing. As nothing comes to your mind.
My man?
Yes.
No.
Me can't say we are children now. Please wake up on account to us.
Why you dey play with my heart?
Yet him say.
Why you dey do me like that? Opa now make me call that me send the text why you never dey chat. Hey, that's a dogger. You know the
That's the one show you says yeah. I feel
I'm feeling so thirsty. Up for your love.
Who say we need to
What's the meaning of that? Or bad in the chill now or one
I said, say Opa, we should be Sisia. Or I said, one.
They are sure the sun
Yes.
the sun ate.
Yes.
They are show. I mean,
yeah, that is how it means. Yes, of course. They want you to war them.
No. And you need to tell me about her. It's no mean yes, I don't know. Yeah. No, to me, I don't mean up me. You didn't say Juma blah.
Yeah. But let me tell you something. You can war them one after the other. You can conclude all of them.
Me?
Yes.
Hey, I'm tired, please.
Leave everything for me.
Everything for you?
Yes. But we should them, we should die, we will be able to not part of the quack. Let down pass.
Could you tell you? Are you serious?
Hey.
Am I not saying I'm eating that? Oh, baby. You're interested.
You have to.
You're interested.
You have to.
But what's all for?
Due respect, for your respect's sake, just interest. Get interest for them because I respect you. And they too, they have to respect you. So whenever they give up to you and you reject them, you will lose respect from them. Yes, of course.
Anyway, cause my mom and dad they walk me every day, every time. Yeah. I can say, yeah, metra.
It's not try.
Right, me mean to be go can't some people move because me type maybe. Sa nyama.
Eh, Juma na wo hihye. O ma hihye Juma wo hihye mo.
Okay.
So what you say? Keshe, pani or pani.
The problem. The problem exists in this house.
No problem.
I'm not gonna have nothing. The problem exists in this house.
No problem will happen.
Let me choose one.
No. If one after the other. You see, this one will go and tell them, hey, this guy warned me. They will start coming. So after, then you tell him, shh, keep quiet, don't tell anyone. Then the next one will come, don't tell anyone. So everyone will see that only the person you are dating, but all of them, you wore them.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, they are prompt to me.
Yes.
You make me happy.
Because of your happiness, I am alive. Yes.
I told you visible.
Correct.
And because I don't understand how obviously it is, you know, you know, obviously to or the way by. So we lay in bed now. In a tunnel. See me? Hey, put you put your chamber. Say, oh, back to one open here.
We need velocity at the backside. Unfortunately. You have to do something.
I'm Chup all over the country.
Thank you very much for your cooperation.
I'm Chup.
Then I guess we're going to start from which one do you want to start from?
Anyway.
Any one of them.
Any banana.
Okay, thank you very much.
Any banana. I see the moon in the moon's moon.
So it's like I want your final verdict because I'm done with my own.
Hey God. See, for your information, as I told you, I am not interested in you. Just get that. And please stop bothering me. I'm not interested in you at all. Okay. Why are you doing that?
Then I guess I must choose another person.
To do what?
And work for that person. And make sure I will seize you and turn your face like Kakamo to be so that whenever he sees you, he will run away and walk out of you. Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes, of course.
You are going to spoil me. Because you didn't have your way with me.
No, not a way. Not just a way. But the thing is, you are trying to play a stubborn role upon me. Why are you doing this? I told you before that I am the way and the light. No one can go to the Father before unless he pass through me. I'm the key, I'm the gate, I'm everything.
See, let me tell you. I am not that cheap. If you want to give another girl to him, that's your business. I don't care. I will never and ever, I repeat myself, I will never and ever
open your two legs.
Open my legs for you to enter. La to feel what?
Wait. Yes, I'm fat. Other guess that I can't imagine from my befa. With the same fat knees, befa. Katherine. Befa. But you must accept me, oh.
Why would you do that to me? I'm very, very, very disappointed at you. Why would you send my colleague to my boss's room? Is that how you are?
Because that girl is a very respectful and humble person. She obeys simple instruction. That's what I can offer her. And she is very, very happy and enjoyable.
You know I like boss and you're doing this to me.
You like boss and I told you I am the rare person you have to pass through. But you don't want to do it. That's why I go for another person, another respectful girl and who never shout during talking to her. You trying to tell me that you are very smart. Sure, we've been quite challenging you. I just want to mess up. So
she's inside the room, eh?
Yeah, she's still inside.
But you're not supposed to do this to me.
But
the way I like boss, you're not supposed to do this thing to me. Because I didn't open my leg.
Were you not the first person I talked to? Huh? Are you not the first person I talked to? I talked to you first because I like you. Huh? And I want you to go forward first. But you delay your time. You know overtaking is allowed.
What is happening there? If I should agree to it right now, what is happening there?
If you agree with me now, I will just walk in without knocking and bring out that girl outside and put you inside. You know me. You know what I can do. Don't delay time. So what is your opinion?
Okay.
You accept.
Go and bring her out.
Without any stamp.
Okay, you.
Give me a stamp. Give me a stamp. Give me a stamp. I want your mouth stamp to touch me. Give me a stamp.
I'm going to pull her out.
It's quite unfortunately. I love that man. And a very huge hug.
Before they will start.
A very huge hug. I don't like a Pentecostal hug. I like a simple and romantic, sexy hug. Just hug me.
Go.
Don't worry, don't push. Don't try to force me. If I like, I won't. They will never start.
I want to be the first to enter.
Okay, you are going to enter. Don't worry. Okay, close your eyes. I'm going. By the time you open your eyes, I will be here.
Okay, here. Hurry up.
Okay, close your eyes. I'm going.
Hurry up.
Close your eyes. I'm going.
This guy, so because I didn't open my leg, he actually sent my colleague to my boss's room. As for I'll chill with her.
Let's fuck the next entertainment.
Yeah, me say bana ma feel ado. Oda beba na makumate. Me see me nya denka na wati mase. Se me koda.
See ya me tie na woro yi. See ya anso na be. I don't mean to.
You want more dignity? What's in you?
Every day, when you're dealing with your soon, so when you're bona boneda, babona boneda, so babona boneda, one of them say boneda. Why you know?
Who's the one who do it?
Well, I need the dear, there's an idea. You're kind of Madame Lefred.
At least 30 years. I tell you now, who did this? Who be on? You okay?
So, in your security, the two will be under the house.
See, you didn't why?
Why you do me like that?
I'm getting out of the phone.
Hey, what a dogger, you know the holler. I dey suffer, but you know the bother. I'm feeling so thirsty, offer your love, my baby, come and pour me your water.